What if I told you you're just one lazy decision away from making $300 a day using AI, while lying in bed? And no, you don't need skills, investment, or even motivation. You just need this video. Meet Jake, 26, lives with his mom, hates 9 to 5. He tried dropshipping, failed, tried crypto, lost everything. Then ... he found AI. Jake didn't want to hustle. He wanted to earn like the rich without moving a muscle. And I gave him that lazy shortcut. One day, Jake saw a TikTok make $250 a day using ChatGPT and Canva. He thought it was fake, but he tried it anyway. And boom, it worked. Jake used ChatGPT to write 10 viral quotes. He pasted them on Canva templates, uploaded to Etsy, went to sleep. Next morning, 3 sales. Just like that, he turned those $10 into $100, then $300. He added AI voiceovers, created YouTube faceless videos. Income? $2,000 a month, all automated. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building something once and letting AI do the rest. Jake did it, and so can you. Jake's mom cried the day he paid the rent. For the first time, he felt proud. He wasn't lazy anymore, he was smart. Here's Jake's lazy toolkit. 1. ChatGPT for writing. 2. Canva for design. 3. Pictory for faceless videos. 4. Gumroad Etsy to sell digital stuff. 5. Notion AI for automation. 1. Pick one AI tool. 2. Make a simple product. 3. Upload it. 4. Promote with AI again. 5. Sleep and let it sell. Don't confuse lazy with careless. Smart lazy people win. Careless ones stay broke. Which one are you? Jake started sharing his journey online, but guess what? People laughed. Fake. Scam. You're just lucky. He almost gave up. But one message changed everything. A girl from India texted, "Because of your video, I made my first $20 online." My dad smiled for the first time. Jake cried. For the first time, it wasn't about the money. It was about impact. Jake wasn't making money in an office. He wasn't on Zoom calls or in traffic. He was earning in silence, while others scrolled TikTok. He realized freedom doesn't always wear a suit. Sometimes it wears flip-flops and types with one hand. And you, yes, you watching. What's stopping you? Because this new world doesn't ask for your degree. It asks for your curiosity. It's not work from home anymore. It's create from anywhere. Start now, even from your bed, your couch, your rooftop. Just start. Your lazy revolution begins today. It's 2025. AI is the new gold mine. Lazy or not, you need to act now. Hit subscribe and let me show you the next step.